Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, I haven't painted in a while because I've been on vacation. So needed. But these paints have been mixed up for probably 2 weeks. So I came back home, mixed them all up, or stirred them all up. Oh, this is my consistency, and this video is sped up just a little bit, just in the beginning here, and then later it's a little bit faster. But the colors I'm using and my mixes will obviously, they're right here, but then they'll be in the description box below as well. But first we're gonna go with a Payne's Gray. Then we have Permanent Violet. Next is the Cloud Mix. Yes, we're doing a cloud pour. Next is a cloud mix, and this cloud mix actually is the Artist Loft Flow acrylic, the Flow one. This is the older one. And then it is actually satin enamel. There's just so many little recipes I have now that I'm using. I just went back to this one. And then this is a Phthalo Blue. Back to the Payne's Gray. Permanent Violet. The Cloud Mix. And then I'm going to end with the Payne's Gray. Which, hindsight's 2020, obviously. Sometimes Payne's Gray, depending on what brand and what tones and undertones it kind of has. This one is more gray. I believe this is my Lucas one, but it doesn't look fabulous by the white clouding. So I probably would have changed that. However, as you can see from the title of the video, this is kind of a twofer. There are two paintings in this one. This is kind of a struggle and then save it kind of scenario. So I could talk through the whole video, but I don't want to do that. I'm going to shut up here in a second. But this original color palette is not what happens in the end. So as pretty as I like this, and I love that kind of swirly of blue right there, I had a lot. Oh my God, you guys, I had like a lot of like chunks, and I checked my paint, but obviously I missed something. So it frustrates me, and I, have to do some fixes or scrapes, and I didn't scrape, but just hang in with me and I'll come back to the section. When that section happens, I'll get back on here. But you're gonna see me pick out some stuff and get frustrated, but like just right there. But in the end, it works out. So I'll be back in just a minute, guys. Hey guys, I'm back. So this is the part right here where I'm like, you know what? I'm going to do another little pour right on top of this. And really all I had was the phthalo blue and the white cloud mix. So I'm like, I'm just gonna do a little blue ring pour on top. And I know you may think it doesn't look that bad, but I got frustrated. I got really frustrated, and I still had some paints left over, and I thought, you know what, let's see what we can do with this, because I just wasn't liking the Payne's gray beside the white, and then picking all those frigging goobers out made such a mess of some of the clouding. I was like, I just can't. I can't. So I put this little guy on, and a lot of paint flings off, but all that paint is getting saved. It did get saved. It's in a cup. I've already strained it. I scrape it up because I have a Fluid Art Co., a big mat under the spinner. And it's awesome. You just scrape up your your drippings, and keep them. So yeah, with this piece, I just was like, you know what? Let's see what I can make. Let's see what can happen. Like I said, it's just blue and white. Really simple. Just phthalo blue and the white cloud mix. And, you know, I liked it far better than the other piece. So yeah, like, I didn't know if I was going to post this video. I was like, oh, I don't know. I screwed up. But we all screw up. Everybody does. I mean, you know. And this was my first big one since I've really been on the YouTube, since on the YouTube, on YouTube, since I've really been posting more frequently. This is my biggest screw up, what I call a screw up, where I had to like re-pour. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. Yeah, and I even had a little goober in this one, in the white part, but I made it work. And I kind of thought, you know what? If I can get this all the way to the corners, all the way to the edges, maybe I can, when it's dry, if it dries well, maybe I can add some, silver leafing, or maybe I take some of that white away and add more blue, on the outskirts, which right now I'm actually covering up some purple that was coming through from the piece below, from the paint below. So yeah, I'm just covering up some purple because I was like, that's blue and white. This piece is blue and white. So anyway, I'm gonna go again, you guys, and you can just watch me tilt this out and try to get all this white to the edges. So yeah. Yeah, so here it is pretty much done. It actually dried a little darker. The blue came through a little bit more, which I was happy about because there's just a lot of white. Um, that being said, I like it. It's really simple. My husband actually really liked it. He's like, "Oh, I could see that in like someone's bathroom." You know, like it's a 12-inch round, you know, and pretty easy to hang, but it actually did dry um, a little deeper around the edges where it's really heavily white. So simple blue and white piece is what came out. So here comes some stills. This in a close-up. So this is while it was wet. This is actually a dry image, and then here's a little dried video. So yeah, you know, overall, I'm happy with this piece. You know, the blue came through a little bit more in the end, and I'm glad. So, and you know, some of my rings got a little wobbly on me, but overall, I love it. You know, simple. Sometimes you need that. Anyway, let me know what you guys think, and please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.